Another very warm day for this time of the year in North Texas. It's 76 right now at DFW with winds out of the west at 12 miles an hour. So a bit breezy here. We've had gusts in the 20 to 25 range for most of North Texas. Mountain cedar is high today. Elm is moderate and fungus is low. Mountain cedar season is about 2 to 3 more weeks, just so you know. I want to tell you this. We have max winds out in the Panhandle running 30 to 45 miles per hour. That is obviously causing a lot of problems there with the wildfires, and we'll give you an update on those here in a second. But that's where the strongest winds are right now, are out in West Texas and up into the Panhandle. If we look at the fires right now in the Panhandle, you see the Lavender Fire, 20% contained at 12,000 acres. We have this fire here near Clarendon. 8-ball fire, 13,000 acres, now 40% contained. We have what we call red flag warning in place for the entire Panhandle. Even Cook and Montague counties are included in this. What happened? This is essentially a fire weather warning. Okay, so we have dry conditions, we have windy conditions, we have dormant vegetation, we have low humidity. So what's happening is if a fire starts, like we're seeing in the Panhandle, they can get out of control very quickly. So we just highly encourage you to be extra cautious with any outdoor burning. Don't do it if you don't have to. Watch things like tow chains, lit cigarettes. Be very careful because things can get out of control very quickly. Here's the storm system responsible for it. We're on the dry side of this storm system. It's bringing severe weather to Illinois and Indiana. Look at this. 3 tornado warnings in eastern Illinois, soon to be entering western Indiana from Terre Haute down to Vincennes. There's severe weather there. We go off to the west where the cold side of this system, look at this. There's Nebraska seeing some heavy snow. Winter storm warnings in place for Des Moines over to parts of Nebraska. We again are dry here in Texas. We've been dry. The latest drought monitor that came out today shows widespread extreme drought in South Texas and Central Texas. We have widespread moderate drought here in North Texas. It's expanding. Okay, and we have the severe and extreme drought in Northeast Texas. This includes Paris, Clarksville, Sulphur Springs. We obviously have been very dry this winter. We had that one really good widespread soaking rain on Valentine's Day. That's really it. We're still running 4.5+ inches drier than normal for this winter. I don't see huge changes in that as we not only go for the rest of this month, but as we get into spring too. The latest outlook for spring, near to below normal precipitation across really all of Texas. No big improvements by any means out in West Texas in the Panhandle. And if you look at temperatures, the same thing is likely to continue where we stay warmer than normal. We've had a really warm February, and I expect to keep the warmer than normal temperatures March, April, and even into May. That obviously puts us into the territory of summer, so hopefully we can push that down just a little bit. We don't want to, one of these extreme summers. Listen, every summer in North Texas is hot. We just don't want it to be hotter than normal. 42 degrees tonight. It's a cold night tonight. We actually have chilly air in place for tonight. 65 tomorrow. Not nearly as warm as today. We'll have lighter winds tomorrow. 14-day forecast. We have a stretch of about 4 days of cool weather. 63 Saturday. 60 Sunday. Lows will be in the 30s Sunday morning. Lows will be in the 30s Monday morning, with Monday afternoon only getting into the upper 50s. But look at that jump. We go from 59 Monday all the way to 81 degrees on Wednesday. And we'll be hard-pressed to find any significant chances for rain over the next 2 weeks as temperatures after that little cool spell largely stay warmer than normal.